Oh no, we got a buck down. We're gonna give her the beans. You're not gonna see it from the street. Snowman, woman in the decoration. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is closing in on, we're dark. Today, we're gonna be switching gears. We're not changing gears, we're switching gears. Christmas is coming and it's coming fast, which means we gotta get the lights put up. Hopefully I don't do it the same as every other year. Maybe we'll mix it up a little bit. Also, we're going to be building our own Christmas decorations. And I wonder how that's going to turn out. So after putting up some Christmas lights, we decided just try, we as in she decided, I got told, we're going to try and make our own Christmas decorations or characters. Well, if you see here, that could be a template for a snowman, which we have over here. Now he is due to get his second coat of white paint. The black is done, but we got to finish the white. Yeah, I think 2 coats are gonna do it. Get that coat. I've gone ahead and drilled a whole bunch of holes all around the outside. Wouldn't be very exciting, so I didn't think you'd want to see that. But I did stuff the Christmas lights in from the back side. One thing left to do now is work on his face. It would appear I got one eye higher than the other. It is what it is. I think we need to make him a pipe. Well, Jen put this purple scarf, which may indicate that it's a female snowman, but corncob pipe. All right, so I've got this 1¼ inch dowel, and I've got this old paintbrush, which is about to be sacrificed for the cause. Can we make a pipe out of that? Let's find out. Yes, I'm sawing on the floor because I only got to make 2 cuts. I don't want to set everything up for 2 cuts. We have a casualty. Just broke my holder. Who's going to hold the camera now? Alright. This is going to be our pipe. Just like that. I'm going to sand this down, round off the edges, and I might even drill out the hole in the top for the tobacco. Since nobody's going to be here to hold the camera, I'll be right back. Alright, we've got our pipe sanded down. We've got our center marked here. We're going to take this 15/16 blade bit and we're going to hollow that out just a little bit. Maybe, if I can find the middle there. So it looks like an actual pipe. Alright, slight change of plans. I'm thinking with this 15/16 bit, chances of me running it through the side are probably pretty good. You know, I do like how close it comes to the edge. I do have a 5/8 bit, which is, you know what? I don't like how far the 5/8 goes to the edges. It's not quite far enough. So we're going to live on the edge. We're going to give her the beans with the 15/16 and see what happens. Stand by. I'm going to hold you all so you can watch. I'm going to try and keep this straight up in the air. Jeez, buddy, come on. Come on now. Oh, that looks pretty close to middle to me. Alright, y'all ready for this? Let's go. better tighten her up just a little bit. Uh-oh. Battery's dying. Alright, here's our end result. How's that for a pipe? Not bad. You know. Never been a pipe smoker, but I do like the smell of the pipe tobacco. Anyway, that's our 15/16 hole. A little off center, not a big deal. You're not going to see it from the street. If you do see it from the street and you want to say something, feel free to knock on my door. I'll have a conversation with you. But let's go get a hole drilled in the snowman, woman, in the decoration, and we'll see if we can make this pipe fit. Well, we got the pipe painted black. We're just going to leave the stem of the pipe the natural color, and that went so well. I decided to make a nose and some buttons. As soon as that dries, we're going to get that screwed on there. But I also made this Christmas birdhouse. Looks pretty good, but I wasn't sure whether I wanted the snow on the pole or not. Put it on there, didn't like it. Tried to take it off, it doesn't want to come off. So now, well, we got to repaint that. Isn't one thing, it's another. And just like that, we got the post back to red. I think it looks much better. Just a plain red with no snow on it. The base is still going to have the snow on it, but the pole, nah. I think it looks pretty good. And this will be available at Jen's Craft Show on Saturday. Now, I got to make about 3 more of these after my snowman's done, because the snowman slash lady slash my snowman, these get done. Otherwise, just get stuffed into the corner, into the abyss, and never to be seen again. So, one project at a time. That's a flat out lie. It's never one project at a time. It's always 10 at a time. Anyway, that's how we roll. As soon as my nose and my buttons dry up, we'll get them attached, and we'll get the pipe put on, and we're going to take snowman to the front yard, and maybe we'll just screw it to the porch, because I don't have any pegs to put it in the ground with. So, yeah, wood screw to the porch railing. It ain't going nowhere. Well, we got Frosty into place here. We got his buttons. We got his pipe. I really like the pipe. That turned out good. And his nose. We just got to do something with his eyes. I think this is where he's going to be. Daytime, nighttime. There we go. Oh no, we got a buck down front yard. We got a few more things to get done out there, but that is the bulk of it. I hope you're all getting ready for Christmas. Weather's turning cold. It is supposed to snow here in a few days. I want to get most of it done so I'm not out there in the freezing rain and the cold and the snow, trying to get the Christmas lights up, because that's usually how I roll. Trying to get ahead of the game. Snowman turned out great. Best of all, it didn't cost me anything, because I already had the wood laying around and already had the lights laying around. Save yourself a couple of bucks and make your own Christmas decorations. See you in the next one. Later.